guys, I just took a shower. My hair routine is literally I just take it out of the towel and let it dry. That's it. So we leave at 8:40 for church, and I have like less than 20 minutes to get ready, so do it super quickly. Let's turn it down. The camera makes my face look like so clear and like everything, but I literally like have a ton of like pimples and dots right now. Super annoying. I will be back and give you guys a house tour. Okay guys, I am back from church. Service was really good. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a house tour, but I decided to do the inside first and then the outside last when it gets a little bit darker so that I can show you like the lights and stuff. It's not like super exciting, but whatever. So before we get into the tour, I'm going to eat day 2 of my advent calendar. So as soon as I can find it. Found it. Little hot cocoa thing, I think. What is this? Oh shoot, I got it on my nail. Oh, I think it's a snowman. Wait. What is this? What? I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna eat it anyway. My retainers. So this is the door, and then like this is the garage. So we would walk in. And then when you walk in, you see Lady, of course. You would see like a big Christmas tree right here. I love the color scheme. I think last year we decided to do gold and red themed. So I got like this ribbon that says Merry Christmas. And they got these really pretty like bronze acorns. Like gold flowers and red flowers. And we just got some, like, I think we got most of the accessories at Orchards. And it's not real, by the way. Then over here, we have a ton, like, we have a little setup. This guy, like, has been a part of our family for a while, but, so he's barely staying alive here. And then we just have this whole little setup here. And then this guy's a new addition. It's kind of cute. We have our little, what do you call that? A reindeer. These 2 little guys here. And then right when you walk in, there's this like season's greetings thing though. So when you walk through my kitchen over here, you will see this Christmas tree right there. It has like a ton of random ornaments, and then I think I got this when I was 2, but it says Joelle 2004. And then we have this little angel topper. And then over here, I don't really like this tree, but whatever. This was working like a couple days ago, but it plays music when you push this. Oh, it works now. Okay, it's not working now. So that was my inside Christmas tour. That's basically it. We have this little wreath on the door, and then another, I'll show you, another wreath on the outside door right here. Oh my god, did you hear that? Ew, that is so gross. Ew, that was weird. Okay. Okay, so I decided that every single Vlogmas that I do, I'm gonna do a shout out. And basically, all you have to do to get a shout out is leave a video suggestion that I should do for Vlogmas down below, and I will shout you out. And one person did do that on Vlogmas Day 1. Divine Queen 101. Thank you so much for commenting and leaving a video suggestion. This is like horrible timing because the gardeners are outside right now, but so it's kind of loud, so I apologize for that. But I'm going to be doing a quick little outside Christmas house tour. Up here we have like these little snowflakes, and they twinkle, and we have like these little crystal balls, and they're so pretty, you guys. And then we have lights that go all along the edge of our fence. Here when you walk in, we have like these little candy lollipops that like change colors, and that's so cute. And then we just string some lights along this pole right here, and then we put just some regular Christmas lights along here. The only fail to this is like this part, that little like gap right there, but whatever. And then we have lights along the windows, and then you can see our Christmas tree. It's so pretty. And then over here we have these 2 little snowmen. This one's like totally different color than this one, but it's okay. That's basically it for the outside Christmas house tour. There's literally some random people that just parked on the outside of my house, but okay.
Guys, I think there's like a ghost in my house or something. Oh my god. In here, there's like noises. At first, I thought it was like a squirrel on the roof or something. I was just doing homework, and like it sounded like it was like right in the corner right there. But it was like, I thought like just a squirrel was moving around something up there, like on the roof or something. But then all of a sudden I heard like this banging up there. I'm like, what is that? Like, that does not sound like a squirrel. And I'm like, that's probably like some animal. But like, how does an animal like bang? Like that sound? It sounded like pretty large object or something. So I don't think it was like a squirrel. I don't know what I expect it to be, but my dad's gonna call someone to come out here in the attic, so I'll update you guys on that hopefully if I remember. But yeah, that was pretty weird. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna end it here since there's nothing else exciting going on today. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.